Alright. I need the keys. Oh.
Did you see that order that was posted on the foglight install?
About the what?
The foglight install thing I did on Ford Addicts, I think?
Nuh-uh.
He did it backwards.
What do you mean he did it backwards?
He put the driver, like he tried to wrap it through the passenger side instead of the driver's side. He said, I don't know what this orange thing is for. It's the one that's supposed to go into the driver's side fuse box. But he had it on the passenger side. And so everybody was like, yeah. You had to go ahead and flip that around.
Okay, so I gotta get the cord off the trailer. This is Hella's Accord, and sure enough he has a ton of keys here. Some of them are mine, but it's got a lot of keys for what he needs. But anyways, get this off of here. It's blocking my neighbor's spot. He no likey. So let's see. Alright, so it's off. Boom. This is, I got Keith here. What's your Instagram?
What Instagram?
You don't have an Instagram?
I do have an Instagram.
Okay, what's your Instagram?
Keith Needs Friends.
Keith Needs Friends. Follow him. So I'm at Taco Bell getting something to eat. Authentic Mexican food. Pretty good. Yourself?
Thank you for asking. What can I get started for you?
Are you still serving breakfast?
Yes, we are.
Oh, there's the breakfast menu.
Can I get some lunch?
Just got done installing the fog lights. I did not do a step-by-step because he's in a hurry. Go ahead and turn your keys, your lights forward. Your headlights, like the... There you go. And now hit the button. There we go. Okay, so fog lights are installed. That's it. Got his fog lights installed. And he's out of here.